Oh, this is so black now. Damn.
Eileen. Eileen.
Message bomber.
How are you? I'm good, how are you? That's nice. I feel like I'm having a conversation.
No, message bomber and see if she wakes up.
No, she'll kill me.
No, I'm tired of listening to this chick snore. I'm gonna kill her. Oh my god. I hope she wakes herself up. Like, oh my god.
I'm just gonna mute her.
No, how do you do that?
I don't know.
You can't you can't mute her without muting me.
Let's just kick her out of the conversation.
No, I want to wake her up.
Wake her up.
I can't because I can't message her because she blocked me.
Oh, yeah.
So you gotta do it. I'll call her.
Do it. You call her, and then I'll bomb her.
I'm calling her right now. Yo, is her phone always on silent? Yo, if you message me, I'm gonna kill you. Cause you're starting to bot me, man.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah. And you gotta do it fast. You gotta do it like this. Let me show you how this is. Oh, just kidding. I can't show you. Maybe I can. Oh, JK. I can show you. You gotta click on them, right? And then you do this.
Okay, I got you. I got you.
Okay. Joe, can you hear it?
No.
Oh, I can't. Keep going. She's not going to do anything. Oh my god. What the heck? She moves, but she doesn't wake up. What the heck? She's like... She's completely facing the other direction. Alright. Okay. Yo, wait. Yo, you snore so loud. No, I have it on video.